Hey everybody, John D. Villarreal here, and this is a shoe unboxing and style review. This is for the Asics Gel Venture 9, the new trail running shoe from Asics. Now, I'm super excited about this. The Gel Venture 9 is a brand new product and they have new styles. I've got a Midnight Sky, and let's take a look at that. This is pretty exciting right here. I like this, okay? And wow, see, I really like these. This is pretty cool. They have some other styles I think that are coming out that also look really, really good, but I just really wanted to show this to you. Let me see if I can get out of the way here so we can get a focus. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, really sharp. So that's Midnight Sky. Now here, we've got a classic look, and I got these because I felt like, hey, you know, if I want to be a little dressier, maybe wear this to work. You know, this could be something that is cool. Although I think I can do that with Midnight Sky too. But you see, this is really cool here. Awesome, awesome look right there. So I really like these as well. This right here is the Sheetrock and Sun Peach. Now, that orange is very cool. I like that. And I actually was pretty surprised with these. I like it. I don't know. They're kind of growing on me a little bit. Let's see if we can compare all of these sort of together at the same time. Sort of see the difference here. So I think this hopefully is gonna be useful because I know like when you're ordering something and you maybe haven't seen it before, it's important to kind of get a look at it, how they all sort of stack up. So let's just do like these little call outs here, right? So we have Midnight Sky versus the Sheetrock. They're both cool, right? They're both pretty cool. But to me, I think I like the Midnight Sky a little bit better. I think it's probably gonna hold up a little bit more. I think this is a little bit more versatile here. And then we have this here. Again, very classic. Okay. Maybe a little bit more dressy, but I just feel like, I think when you put it all together, for me, I like this. This is sort of my favorite. I mean, both of these are great. I mean, I can see functionality with all of them. I mean, I think all the styles are very cool. I think out of the three, this is my favorite right here, the Midnight Sky. That's just me. I definitely like the new styles a lot. Now, importantly, I bought these with my own money, okay? This video is not sponsored by Asics, and these are all my true, honest opinion. But I mean, this really, I think is my favorite, the Midnight Sky. I like that a lot. I think that's very cool, right? As I think it kind of gives you enough of the dressiness with some sort of artistic flair and some sportiness with it. This is awesome if you just want something that's going to be sort of classy and dressy with sort of low profile, maybe for really an all-around shoe. I mean, you could wear this really anywhere. And then this one here is, you know, it's a new style and it's kind of fun. It's kind of fresh. I like the orange. So like all of them I think are great, but I think for me, I think the Midnight Sky is the winner. I'm very excited for the Asics Gel Venture 9 line. I will have a link on the YouTube video description below to be able to order the Asics Gel Venture 9, and I do benefit from that if you order it through my links. I definitely appreciate the support out there from my audience. If you like this video, or if this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and turn on the notification buttons, and don't forget to share this video with your friends on your social media sites out there. Thanks so much for watching. I'm John D. Villarreal. I'll see you next time.